Guys, this has Ben with 1D Numismatics, and I realized that it's been a little while since I've been uploading a video to YouTube, so I thought I would make up for that by opening up a couple of packages I got today from FedEx. They were both winning bids. One is from Great Collections and the second one is from Stax Bowers. One I am really excited about. The other one is actually also a very nice coin. Let's go ahead and open these packages up here and see what we're taking a look at. So this first one is from Great Collections. Let's see if I can just open this up without using my scissors. Easy peasy. Alright, let's see what we've got today. Take that off here. Envelope. I gotta be careful opening this. Is from both sides. Alright. Here we go. What have we got here? See if we can get some better lighting on this. This is a Hogmouth Thaler from Austria. Hogmouth, of course, is the nickname given to Leopold I, who was Emperor of Austria and Hungary at this point in time. Really interesting looking coin, right? This one's graded AU58 by NGC. It's a pretty nice looking coin for the grade. See if we can get a little bit better lighting on this. I've always been a fan of this particular design. A lot of people don't like the Hogmouth Thalers. They think they're ugly, but I think they're quite exquisite, actually. A lot of detail. Let's look at the reverse. There's just so much detail here on this coin. Alright, very cool. Alright, let's take a look at the other coin. This one is from Stax Bowers, and I was really quite excited to find this. I actually didn't even know that this coin existed. They were only minted in the very early 1600s. Now I'm giving away too much information before I even open up the package. Let's see here. Might be easier if I just take over the top. I've actually never seen one of these coins in person, so I'm just excited as you are. All right. Ooh, what do we have here? This is a 1619 Netherlands Utrecht Cavalier d'Or, or Gold Rider. As you can tell, this is a gold coin, and it's just a little under 10 grams of gold. And what's really cool about this coin is just how big it is. Very large diameter coin. You got a much older version of the knight on horseback here. I also want to point out how rare these coins are. I did a combined population report for these coins. Like I said, they were only minted in the very early 1600s. There are only 14 mint state examples from this series. So, pretty rare coin. Let's see if we can get a really good look here. Now, compared to the more modern gold riders that were minted in the mid-1700s, you can tell the design and production quality is a little more crude. But this one's fairly well struck. You can definitely make out the knight on horseback pretty well. Let's take a look at the reverse. Really nice looking design here. Again, I like the crown, the lion with the sword. Very neat. Now, this coin was not cheap. I'm sure you can figure out exactly how much I paid for it by looking at Stack's Bauer's sold listings. But considering how rare this coin is, I was pretty happy to pay what I did for it. In fact, I bid a little bit higher than the winning bid, so I think I saved a few bucks. In this market, it's really difficult to find really nice coins for a reasonable price, and especially at auctions. I'm telling you, the prices at auctions have been, the winning bids have been insane. I think the last time I bid on some coins in Heritage, I think I bid on over 20 coins in Heritage, and I had only 2 were winning bids. Alright guys, hope y'all liked the video, and I will see you next time.